Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Students, last day we have discussed about the European traveler, the difference of women in Western and Eastern countries, sati, commercial life of merchants, Orthodox people. As you know, I have introduced you in a previous video session about the new chapter, colonialism and the countryside. So we'll start from topic Bengal and the Zamindar. So as you know students, colonial rule was first established in Bengal. Okay, first established in Bengal. It is here that the earliest attempts were made to reorder rural society. Okay, society and established a new regime of land rights by English East India Company and a new revenue system. Okay, so first one is an auction in Burdwan. In 1797, there was an auction in Burdwan. It was a big public event. Okay, held by the Raja of Burdwan were being sold. His estates were being sold. Estates. You know why they are being sold? Because of land revenue. Okay, that were not paid on time by Zamindar to the East India Company. So the permanent settlement had came into operation in 1793. In 1793. So what are the permanent settlement actually? The permanent settlement was the settlement between the British East India Company and the Zamindar. The Zamindar had to pay them the regular tax revenue on proper date on proper time. So it was the agreement between both parties. Okay. The East India Company had fixed, as I told you, the revenue that each Zamindar had to pay. Each Zamindar had to pay. Okay. The estates of those who failed to pay were to be auctioned, recover the revenue, like happened in Burdwan. Okay. So the estates, as I told you, auction. Since the Raja had accumulated huge areas, his estates had been put up for auction. All of his estates. All estates. Okay. So we have next here the higher bidder. Students, you know the higher bidder when their estates were being sold. Okay, like auction. British sell their own estates who have highest bidder. Okay, and there one thing is, you know, new purchaser came to be auction. States were sold to higher bidder, as I told you. Over 95% of the sale at auction was fictitious. 95 was fake. Fictitious, we can say. Okay, it was done by servants or very loyal, who were very loyal to zamindars. So it's actually who bought the land from British East India Company after British sale their after British auction their land. Their land, the same land of zamindar were bought by their servants. His loyal. And the plan, this is the same planning of zamindar. It is not planning of servants or their loyal. The same money given to servants or loyal by zamindar to buy their land which were in auction by in Burdwan. Okay, there were many examples, but we are talking about here in Burdwan. So the problem of unpaid revenue. We have question here. First, we have the British are being sent. British are being sale their land, estates, their all palaces. But the question is the problem of unpaid revenue. Why the unpaid revenue is here? So students, 75% of zamindari changed hands after the permanent settlement. Okay, in introducing the permanent settlement, British officials hoped to resolve the problem they had been facing since the conquest of Bengal. By the 1770, the rural economy of Bengal was in crisis. 1770, rural Bengal was in crisis. Okay, fine. So famines, declining agriculture output, famines, declining agriculture. Okay, this could be done by securing rights. Now, अब क्या था? अब इन लोगों को चीजें सिक्योर करनी है. So how officials felt that agriculture, trade and revenue resource of state could all be developed by encouraging investment in agriculture. So now they need investment. Where? In agriculture they need investment. As I told you, agriculture was in great crisis, especially in Bengal. So British want to reform there. British want investment there. Only by the investment they can improve the quality. They can improve the agriculture, and the development agriculture will be the development of British East India Company, and of course according to Britishers farmers. So students, this is for today. Today we have discussed Bengal and Zamindar, their earliest attempts, auction Burdwan, their state's highest bidder, their auction, and the problem of unpaid revenue. Tomorrow we'll discuss the revenue demand, and permanent settlement was made with Rajas. Thank you students. God bless you.